Hi students, in my last video 2020 KSET problems I solved the topic limits and continuity differentiability. Okay, I told from limits, continuity and differentiability every year they are going to give 6 to 7 questions. Minimum 6 questions, maximum 7 questions they are giving as per my analysis. Okay, so it is the very most important topic. Everyone solve number of questions, means more number of questions if you solve, some benefit is there. Okay, I am going to start now. This is 2019. Already 2020 paper questions I solved in my last video. Please observe my videos, then you will get chapter wise weightages. You will get one clarity on KSET. With that clarity, if you prepare, you can crack it 100%. Okay, na? So now we'll start then. So 2019, they have given this question. And then they are asking me to find dy by dx value. It is actually standard question. To solve this, I know two tricks. The first trick, if the given question is in the form of f of x by y equal to c, then I can tell, then dy by dx I can say y by x. This is the tricks. What I am saying, the tricks. First you should learn the tricks, time saving results. Otherwise, the question is in the pattern x power m, y power m is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. What is then dy by dx? What is dy by dx is y by x. You please observe the given question, try to make this pattern or this form. If the question is in this form or this form, then we can give the judgment dy by dx value is always y by x, right? Let me check now. We are able to bring it or not. It is so easy. Okay. See the now cube root of y. So I am changing. This is like y power 1 by 3 square root. So x power 1 by 2. Here x plus y whole power 5 by 6. I have changed the things. Later here LCM in the power place LCM I am checking 6. 3 2s are 6. So multiplying 6 on powers both sides. Y power 6 by 3, x power 6 by 2 equal to x plus y whole power 5 by 6 into 6. Get cancelled, 2 3s are 3 2s are. So y square x cube. Here I am having x plus y whole power 5 because 6 get cancelled. No, only power 5 is there. In that I would like to take common y outside. If you bring y out, remaining x by y plus 1. The power 5 is there. So here also 5 should write. What I need to write? In the power 5 is there. So I need to write here also 5. Okay. Na? So y power 5 we taken out. So this y power 5 if you bring this side, y square by y power 5 into x cube is equal to x by y plus 1 whole power 5. Okay. Now let me know now y square by y power 5. So if you calculate this, x cube by y cube is equal to x by y plus 1 whole power 5. Now let me know x by y whole cube is equal to x by y whole cube is equal to x by y plus 1 whole power 5. Then what is dy by dx? You can check. The given question is in the form of x by y, right? If f of x by y pattern means the function is in the form of x by y, then what I told dy by dx is always y by x. Already you got the idea. Another trick I have given to you, x power m, y power n. See, okay, x power m, y power n, m plus n, 2 plus 3, how much then? 5. Okay, na? So 5, you can check it then, x plus y, you come to this step. Okay, y square x cube, 2 plus 3, 5. So x plus y whole power 5. If this is in the form of this, right? If this pattern is there also, then dy by dx is what? Y by x. In second step only I found dy by dx is nothing but a y by x. But what is my opinion? You all should learn every method. So I explained the two things here. Many tricks we have. Okay, every trick I can't discuss here. Okay, based on situation, I will follow my techniques. But if chance is there, you try to say and you try to apply several things, it is good. See then now, this question only we can follow in two ways. Like that, every question we can follow many ways. That's up to you. You try to learn all the methods, it's good. Now solution for this question number 2. This is also 2019. Now I am doing all the 2019 questions first. X square minus x. It is what? Polynomial equation. This is greatest integer function. It is also polynomial. It is modulus x. Basically, I know every polynomial function is continuous. This is continuous. This is continuous. At the same time, it is differentiable. It is differentiable. So, what is asking me in this question? Rolle's theorem is not applicable in which one of the following cases? In which one of the following cases? So here, which one is not applicable? Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Any one option. Which one? See, I hope everyone knows mod x is continuous. But f of x means in option D I am telling modulus x is not differentiable. Yes or no? Mod x is not differentiable. Okay, na? Because it is having sharp edge. Okay, in the graph it is a sharp edge. So f of x is not differentiable. F of x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. What is f of x here? Mod x. That's it. F of x is equal to mod x, which is not differentiable. So I can say Rolle's theorem means we have conditions. Rolle's theorem means we have conditions. It should be continuous. It should be differentiable. At the same time, f of a is equal to f of b. Then C is belongs to A comma B, at least one image. So some story also is there. Everything we need to check. So we don't need to go all the conditions. Just you check 2 points. One is continuous and another one is differentiable. I can check very clearly. Okay, mod x is not differentiable. So it is not applicable. So option D. Option D is what? Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Okay, so my dear students, you should know some basics also, then you can understand it is so easily. So we will see this question. This question maybe some people are feeling little tough, but it is so easy. 2019, third question I am going to do. Solution now. This is f of x. I want to do this differentiation. So properly let me write this. This is nothing but a fractional part of x minus cos x. Okay, I hope everyone knows the definition of fractional part. This is the thing. Now I would like to do the differentiation. Derivative of this is 1 minus cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus of minus plus sin x. Now let me know how to solve this. They are asking me to find f dash of pi by 2. What is f dash of pi by 2 means here? 1 plus sin pi by 2. 1 plus sin pi by 2 is also 1. So which option is correct then? Which option? Option B. That's it. See how much easy? Next one. This one, solution now. F of x they given to you. Now I would like to find the k value. I would like to find the k value. This is continuous at x equal to 0. They are telling it is a continuous function. If it is continuous, left hand limit and right hand limit all are equal. So limit is going to exist. Once if the limit is existing, then we can equate the things. So direct I am going to do that now. Limit x tends to 0. Sin 3x divided by e power 2x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 k minus 2. From this, I would like to write direct 3 by 2 is equal to k minus 2. Minus 2 if you send it inside, another side. Plus 2. So k is equal to what then now? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. Okay, option is not matching. This is the correct answer actually. Okay, but this kind mistake came. They have given 2019 this question mistake. So option is not matching. Option is not matching. Sir, how you wrote this is 3 by 2? Basic formulas. From limits, everyone knows the formula of limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x value is 1. limit x tends to 0. Suppose you take it as sin ax by x, then what is the result is a. E power ax minus 1 by x, then result is a. Okay, no? So now here sin 3x, you can dividing numerator and the denominator with x. Sin 3x by x means 3. E power 2x minus 1 by x means just 2. So I have put the direct steps, that's it. You should also write in the same way, then only we can complete in time all the questions, right? Okay, I hope you understood this. Next question number 5. Students, in 2019, next last 2 questions. Okay, in 2019 they have given only 6 questions. 2020 they have given 7. Okay, we'll check it now. How to solve this? Take this. My dear student, first change this into like 2 into 2 power x. Bases are equal, powers I can add. Already adding is there, so just I separated. Okay, 2 power 1 into 2 power x divided by 1 plus 4 power x. 4 power x I would like to write 2 square whole power x. This I can write it as 2 power x whole square. These all basics only. So I need to write direct. Maybe you won't understand. That's why I am writing. I am explaining those things. So I can write direct 2 power x whole square. Okay. So direct I am going to write that this result I am going to get. Okay. 2 tan inverse 2 power x. What I will get is 2 tan inverse 2 power x will get, because this is we'll take it as some tan theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that means sin 2 theta. Sin inverse get cancelled. 2 theta will be there. Theta value is nothing but a tan inverse of 2 power x. These are like standard results, formulas, not standard results also. Direct formulas we should know. So I have wrote direct. Then next tell me here, I need f dash of x. F dash of x means what? 2 divided by tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is x place? How much I am having x place? 2 power x. 2 power x whole square. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. But it is x or not x. If it is not x, again we need to do the differentiation. You understood right my point? If it is not x, again we should do the differentiation. Now 2 power x derivative. Derivative of 2 power x. Derivative of 2 power x is what? 2 power x into log. Okay, right? But they are not asking me to find f dash of x. What they are asking us to find f dash of 0. F dash of 0, easy only, no? Start there now. F dash of 0, 2 divided by 1 plus 2 power 0 whole square. 2 power 0 of log 2. Anything power 0, 1. Anything power 0, 1. So f dash of 0, 2 by 2. Anything power 0 is 1 of log 2. Base is e, nothing is there. So finally f dash of 0 is equal to log 2 base. You got it right? What is f dash of 0 is here? Log 2 base e. Okay? Log 2 base e. So which option is correct there? Option A. This is the last question in 2019 question paper. In 2019 only 6 questions came. Now tell me here. First I would like to take x. X equal to a into secant square theta. Here right side theta is there. So I need to do with respect to theta only. So dx by d theta. This question is which concept? Parametric form concept. Okay, in NCERT 6th exercise. Okay, this is also NCERT question only from miscellaneous example. From miscellaneous example question, you please check in your textbook, it is available. But this is little extra. There we will find only up to f dash of x. This they given extra, that's it. This is also NCERT level only, but not NCERT. Solve them. A secant square x theta, secant square theta. It looks like x square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x, right? So say 2 secant theta, but it is x or not x. Derivative of secant theta is what then now? Secant theta into tan theta. Secant theta into tan theta. Dx by d theta 2a into secant square theta into tan theta. Completed. Next I need y. Y is equal to a tan square theta. We'll do the differentiation this also with respect to theta only. Dy by d theta a. Derivative of tan square theta. If x square is there, what is the derivative of x square? 2x, right? Same, tan square theta means what I will write there now? 2 tan theta. But it is x, not x. If it is not x, again you should do the differentiation. Tan theta derivative secant square theta. Okay. I hope everyone understood up to here. Everyone knows the parametric formulas. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value how much I got here? 2a tan theta secant square theta divided by dx by d theta value how much I got here? 2a secant square theta into tan theta. My dear students, I hope you all are understanding. It is so easy. Secant square theta is tan 2a. Everything get cancelled, so I got 1. But it is what? Dy by dx. But what they asked, d square y by dx square, they asked me to find. So now once again you do the derivative, d square y by dx square. Derivative of 1 is 0. So which option is correct then? D. Option D. Okay. Next we will go to 2020 completed in my last video. Now I completed 2019. Next we will go to 2018 in this video. In this video only I will do the 2018 also. My dear students, 2019 completed. Now I am discussing 2018 questions. Okay, I hope you all understood. Already you got the clarity. What clarity sir means? In 2020, 7 questions. 2019, 6 questions. We'll see 2018 how many questions they given. Okay. Now this is a direct question. Which option is correct then? Option D. Time waste. Okay. Mod x by x. Okay. Mod x definition I hope everyone knows. When x is greater than or equal to 0, x by x. When x is less than 0, minus x by x. Limit does not exist. No need to think more. 1 minus 1. These both are equal. No, right? So 100% does not exist. Okay. This is a very basic level question. What about this? Okay. They are asking f dash of minus 1. Before that, first do f dash of x. What is f dash of x? X derivative is 1. 1 by x derivative. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Already minus is there. Minus and minus plus. So 1 plus. So now you let me know. But they are asking me to find f dash of minus 1. What is f dash of minus 1 means? X place you should replace minus 1. 1 plus of 1 by minus 1 whole square. 1 minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1. So 1 by 1 it's just 2. But it is nothing but here only 2, right? You got it right up to here. Okay, 2 questions, so easy questions. This is also very easy. Okay, what is dy by dx? When they given question like this, maybe you all will feel tough. Nothing is there to feel tough. What is the derivative of x? 1. Derivative of x is how much? 1. Okay, 1 divided by, okay, 2y minus 1. Okay, sir, that much easy na? Yes. I will allot you one more question. Y is equal to sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus and so on up to infinity. Then what is dy by dx? Denominator 2y minus 1 is common. Then derivative of sin x, cos x, that's it. Okay, suppose sin x is there. They have given for you tan x. Then tan x derivative is what? Secant square x. Secant square x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, so standard result. If you remember the standard result, then it is so easy. Okay, na? See how much easy this here. Okay, so if you need when y is equal to f of x plus square root of f of x plus and so on up to infinity is there, then dy by dx is nothing but a f dash of x by 2y minus 1. Not only in this situation, if the question what you know, square root of f of x plus y. If this pattern or this pattern if you are seeing, then dy by dx is what always, what is dy by dx formula? F dash of x by 2y minus 1. I got it right? I hope everyone understood. These are tricks if you know. KCET exam is so easy. See, now I am observing this question. What is the answer? Means derivative of x1. 1 by 2y minus 1. Option D. How much time? How much time do you need to judge the answer? Okay, maybe you will take 30 seconds to bubble the option. But it won't take much time, okay, to solve. Okay, option D. Okay, this is also option D, no? No, plus 2, no? Plus 2 is option B. Thank you. How to solve this? This is one of the standard question, repeated question. Repeated question. So, automatically, many times I solve it, I remember this result is K. Okay, so actually at x equal to 0 time they are asking me to find 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 by 0 minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Option B. Okay, that's it. I am not taking more than 1 minute. I need to explain you all, so I am taking little some time. Okay, so you should become like that. When by practicing more questions, you also can become very strong in maths. Okay, so we'll do this once main method. Okay, how to do the main method? So limit x tends to 0 minus, I would like to take minus means x less than 0. X less than 0 time I need to take this. So I will eliminate minus and limit is equal to root of 1 plus kx minus root of 1 minus kx whole divided by x. How to solve this then? Okay, when square roots is there, you please remember you should go for rationalization. You should go for rationalization. Now I am going to do the rationalization. Root of 1 plus kx plus root of 1 minus kx, then whole divided by root of 1 plus kx plus root of 1 minus kx. After that, calculation. Okay, so I hope everyone knows a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square, right? Limit x tends to 0. A square means what? Square root of 1 plus kx whole square. Square root square get cancelled, just 1 plus kx minus b square. B square means square root of 1 minus kx square. That means square root to square get cancelled, the remaining 1 minus kx whole divided by x into 1 plus kx plus square root of 1 minus kx. You check it out. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus kx minus 1 minus of minus plus kx x into square root of 1 plus kx square root of 1 minus kx. This get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0. Kx is what then now? 2kx whole divided by x of root of 1 plus kx plus root of 1 minus kx, right? Tell me then how to solve this. X will get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0. So 2k and then whole divided by square root of 1 plus kx plus square root of 1 minus kx. You please apply the limit. So x place I would like to replace 0. 2k divided by 1 plus 0, 1. Root 1 is 1 only, no? 1 minus k into x plus 0, no? K into 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2k by 2. 2 get cancelled, just k. Just k I got. After that, come to this. Right side, right hand limit x tends to 0 plus means x is greater than 0 here. That's right, which function I have that I would like to take 2x plus 1 by x minus 1. So 2 of 0 minus 1 by 0, it's plus 1 by minus 1, it's nothing but a minus 1. So when it is continuous at x equal to 0, then I can say what? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So k value is nothing but a minus 1. So it is very easy question only, but little lengthy. Hi students, now these questions you see. Now here, maybe people are going to feel easy, nothing is there to feel easy. Actually, you consider this x is in between, not consider. It is from first quadrant like 0 less than x less than pi by 4. As per the condition is cos x is conditions are there, many conditions. As per that condition, simply I want to tell you, you please consider f of x is just cos x minus sin x. We can do it as per the condition. So f dash of x is equal to, I would like to tell cos x derivative is minus sin x. Minus sin x derivative is what then of cos x. So now I would like to apply the things. F dash of pi by 6. Sorry. Now continue that now. So apply then minus sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6 I got here. Let me know now. Sin pi by 6 means 30. Now sin 30 value. What is the value of sin 30? Okay, 1 by 2 minus cos pi by 6. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. You please take 1 value common outside plus root 3. So which option is correct? Which option is correct here? We can judge option here. Yes or no? Minus 1 by 2 of 1 plus root 3. Is there any tough? Nothing. Okay, as per this condition, I can tell you cos x is always greater than sin x. That means cos x minus sin x is greater than 0. Okay, from these conditions, I have selected this value is normally, then I did the differentiation. So I hope you all understood. What about this question now? Solution now. So f of x they given. So anyhow they are telling me it is continuous at x equal to 1. Just you need to find the value of k. Here I can follow L'Hospital rule also. See then now limit x tends to 1. Okay, log x base e by x minus 1 it is equal to k. Yes or no? Now let me know log x derivative is 1 by x by derivative of x 1 minus 1 derivative is 0 is equal to k. Now I would like to apply the things. Limit x tends to 1 of 1 by x equal to k. This 1 by 1 is equal to k. The value of k is equal to 1. So which option is correct then? Option B. Okay. So in 2018 total 6 questions completed. One more question is there, last question. We'll do it. Then we'll end the class. This question from NCERT only. NCERT miscellaneous exercise. You can check in the book. Okay. So we'll solve them now. Solution. What they have given me condition cos y equal to x into cos of a plus y. You please find here x value. What I am telling you to find the value of x. Okay. Now I am going to find the value of x. X is nothing but a cos y by cos of a plus y. Basically, every time I am going to do differentiating on both sides with respect to x. But now I am going to do differentiation on both sides with respect to y. I am going to do differentiation with respect to y. Okay, right? dx by dy. I hope everyone knows the formula. D by dx of u by v. vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Okay, right? Start then now. What is v? What is v here? Cos of a plus y. What is u? U dash means derivative of numerator part. U by v. Cos y derivative minus sin y. I am doing with respect to y only. It's very clear. Differentiating on both sides with respect to y. Okay. Now tell me then now minus what is u? What is the value of u here? Cos y. Next v dash. Okay, what is the derivative of v? V means the denominator. Cos of a plus y derivative. Cos a. Anyhow, minus will come, minus of minus plus sin of a plus y, and then whole divided by v square. What is the value of v here? Cos square a plus y. Right? After that, now dx by dy is equal to minus, I would like to write friend, minus cos a plus y into sin y plus sin a plus y into cos y, and then whole divided by cos square of a plus y. Now it is the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, what is the formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is the formula? Sin a minus b from trigonometry. So it is in that format. So how can I write them? Sin a minus b, I can write it. So right now dx by dy is equal to sin of the value of a is a plus y minus b is y. This whole divided by cos square of a plus y. Y get cancelled. So sin a whole divided by cos square of a plus y. I hope everyone understood, but they are asking me to find the dy by dx, but you got here dx by dy. Just you reciprocal that. Dy by dx is equal to what then now? Cos square of a plus y whole divided by sin a. Which option is correct then? Cos square of a plus y divided by sin a, option B. See how much easy. Okay, and I hope everyone got the idea. Okay, and what is the topic weightage? Exact weightage no one can tell, but as per by taking the analysis for you all say, I am telling you. Okay, from as per the analysis, I am not saying this. Okay, what I am telling you all, 6 questions, minimum 6, maximum 7 questions they have given. Okay, I have taken up to 2006, but now I have, now in this temporarily I have up to 2015, 20 to 15 like that. So please watch it and share it and subscribe it. Okay, so based on your watching, like based on views only I am going to do further videos. If more views is there, then I will get some interest. Really my students are watching, so I will go to do the next also. Next topic. So this you are expecting still more questions. Okay, let it be. One crash means 1 month. Let me complete main topics are. Let me give these things. After that I will go extra questions. Next topic, matrices and determinants I am going to do. See the matrices and determinants also, minimum 6, maximum 7. Matrices and determinants, 2 chapters. Limits, this is the first year. Continuity differentiability is second year. So the overall, see you count average minimum number only. Minimum number means 6 questions only you count. Okay, matrices, determinants 6 questions, continuity differentiability 6. You are reading only 3 topics then. This is limits, small topic, it's not a matter. Okay, if you are reading only strongly 3 topics, that means second year you are going to get 12 questions. Means 12 marks you are able to attend. In the same way, next I will target some other topics with weightages. But you should follow me, then everything it's good. Okay, thank you for your all support.